In the utility room, we provide a condenser dryer which is located next to the washing machine. If you wish to use this, please first of all check that the main power is on. This switch, if it's off, please switch it on because that supplies power to the machine. To turn on the machine, you just push and hold this top right button. This will activate the machine. To open up the door, just pull on this handle. This will open up. Put in your wet washing. Please do not overload this machine, and then shut the door firmly. Then you have the mode selection in the middle. So here we can see we're on Eco Cotton, and this is the amount of time it will take for the drying time. You can change this by just turning the dial, and it will change how long the time for drying will take. Now, at the end of this video, you'll see the manual, which will help you decide on which one you wish to use. But it's fairly self-explanatory, you know, shirts, silk, wool, etc. So to start the machine, you just then push this start button. If you wish to have a child lock on, if you have a child that could mess around with the dial, you just push and hold this for 3 seconds. That's a lock on. To turn it off, to push and hold it for another 3 seconds. When it has finished, it will alarm. You then can turn off the machine by holding this button down. It will go off. Please do that at the end. You can open up the door and then remove your washing. At the end of every wash, please remove this lint collector and empty it. This opens up, and put all the lint in here in the bin, and then put this back. If you don't empty the lint, then this could be a fire hazard because it could overheat the machine. Also, after each drying cycle, you'll need to remove this, because this is where all the water collects. You pull this out, and then what you do is you pour this down the sink and then replace it. This must be emptied after each cycle, since if this tank is full, the machine won't work. That's how to use the condenser dryer. Thank you.